Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how to change age on your YouTube Kids account. So let's get started. First of all, open up the YouTube Kids application on your mobile device and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Enter your parental code or simply solve a math problem when prompted, and this will take you to settings. Click on your child's profile from My Kids section and enter your Google account's password. Once you do that, you'll end up in your kid's profile and then simply tap on the pencil button right next to their name at the top and then select the age from the age drop down. Choose the age for your kid, and once you are done, tap the tick mark at the top right corner. And that way, you will be able to change the age of your child in just a few seconds. YouTube Kids will show age-appropriate content based on the new information. That's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.